Today we're going to be talking about the pull style clutch that comes stock in an FD RX-7.
Seriously, I just had it.
Here we have an aftermarket pull style clutch and a stock FD flywheel. I just want to show you guys just the basics of how this works. This is a 6-puck racing clutch. It's definitely a little beefier than a stock clutch. Of course, I'm making some power now, and my clutch needed replaced. So I'm replacing a stock style clutch with an aftermarket performance one. This is the old clutch that came from my spare motor. It's in pretty bad and rusted up shape. But the way these guys work is the release bearing sits down in here and it clicks into place. And once it clicks into place, there is a keeper on the back side of the clutch that holds it in. So on this portion, there's an indented ring here. And when you push it in through, it will click in. And then this ring holds it against this outer portion. Because with the two of them, there's no way that you'll ever be able to pull this guy out. The forks from the clutch slave cylinder assembly fit in right here, and they'll actually pull this away, and it'll pull this face away from the clutch, separating the clutch and the flywheel. To get these off, that's kind of the trick. It's actually not too bad whenever it's still on the car. You need to reach in through the inspection cover with a screwdriver and be able to pry down on this the whole way around. And normally there's a spring that'll keep it sprung up. So this whole thing needs to be pushed down as far as it can go. This ring right here needs to be pushed down as far as it can go. And then this will just pop off, usually with a twist. This is old and it's beat, so I want to show you how this works using newer stuff. This ring is sprung, and that's the way the other one should be too. So once this clicks in, all these little thumbs all along and through here are going to seat in this ring, and it'll never let it come back up again until you push this down and pry it apart. Right along the sides, when you push in, these will spread out enough for you to pull it back out, but those springs hold it in there tight and it'll never come out of there. So in order to release it, you have to push this portion of the bottom clip assembly down and then pry this guy back up and out. So, and you do this through the transmission inspection tunnel from the bottom and the top. So once you push that down and get it seated, you can just pry and it comes right out. If this is frozen in your clutch assembly, which may or may not look more like this in an old car or a motor that's been sitting around for a long time, if you want to get it out and you cannot get this release bearing out of the center portion of it, you can go around and undo the 6 bolts that hold the housing to the flywheel and then separate the whole thing all at once. Just keeping in mind that, you know, your clutch and everything will come out with it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.